welcome back to the Cargo channel. Days after the New York International Auto Show, I decided to unwind and come play some poker in the beautiful Borgata Casino in Atlantic City, New Jersey. I wanted to share something that I got for myself, but since this is my channel and it has to do with my things, not only cars, I decided to share with you this Galaxy Gear S3 Frontier watch that I just got, and let's quickly open it up and see what it's all about. Okay, let's quickly open it up, and let me tell you why I selected the Gear S3 Frontier as my smartwatch, and why exactly I'm getting another smartwatch if I have the Fitbit Blaze and I have a regular watch. Well, simply because this is a perfect blend of these two watches, and I don't want to carry my nice watch all the time because it gets banged up, it gets crashed, loses value, etc. So this Gear S3 has a look of a real watch with the functionality of a smartwatch, and this Fitbit, well, quite frankly, it looks like a toy. So let's discard this for a second and open up the Samsung Gear S3. We don't need that. Okay. Another reason I'm getting the Samsung S3 is because this watch is now $269 on Amazon, and considering it was $399, it's a huge discount. Not only that, it still is one of the better watches out there. Another watch I was looking at was the Tag Heuer Connected Modular 45, but that's $3,000 for the specifications I actually wanted. Third watch I was considering was the Garmin Fenix 5X or X5. That has a beautiful sapphire display and a long-lasting battery, but it also costs $699, and that made my choice simple. This now is my new watch. Let's boot it up. Okay, we get rid of the plastic. And the serial number. Alright, we're gonna put this right here. Before we start the watch, let's see what's in the box. This is the little charging cradle. We have a micro USB cable, an extra band. This is the smaller band in case I have a small wrist and I need to change the bands, and a simple charger piece. Okay, we also have a quick guide that we don't need. Let's get rid of all this and look at the watch. The watch has a nice, elegant, sporty yet durable design. Actually, let's put it on. Alright, I don't know which button starts it, but we're gonna press this one or this one. Focus. There we go. Samsung logo, and you can see the display is clearly visible from even a direct sunlight because it's a Super AMOLED display, and the blacks are really black, and that helps also save battery. I'm gonna link this watch down in the description, but let's set it up and see what it can do. Okay, so it took a few minutes to set up, but there it is. The watch looks super nice. Let me just, there we go. It's perfectly visible in the sunlight. And I gotta tell you, for the price, this is the best watch that I could find online through a lot of research. At $270, $269 on Amazon, and I'll link it down below. As I said, it is the best thing you can get. You know, the Phoenix has a beautiful, the Phoenix 5 by Garmin has a very nice 10-day lasting battery, but it's very, very exercise oriented and fitness oriented, that I don't need all its functionality, and at $699 it's a tiny bit out of reach. The Tag Heuer, on the other side, it's the best thing on the market, but it's way out of reach at $3,000. Or I mean, it starts at $1,500, $1,800, but it's not worthy for a tech that's going to get dated in about a year. So if you ask me, I found my perfect watch, the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier, and I did get just the regular Bluetooth version because the other one, there is no use of it. You don't need an LTE because you carry your phone anywhere you go. Let's face it, I'm not some backpacker or hiker that's gonna go somewhere without my phone. Now, you guys let me know if you like this little video. I know it's out of the ordinary, but if you did like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for a lot more videos to come, mainly car related, of course. If you're stopping by for the Gear S3, I'll give you an update when I wear it enough and actually know how good it is. Until then, this beautiful Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS watch will be my companion. Of course, I'll wear my nice watch as well, but I'm gonna retire the Fitbit Blaze. Just like that, I'm gonna end this video and wish you a great day. Bye!